How to use SpinOffice CRM. Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial, and today I'll walk you through how to use SpinOffice CRM step by step. So whether you're managing customer relationships, organizing emails, or keeping track of tasks and projects, SpinOffice brings everything together in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate the platform and make the most of its features. So let's get started. SpinOffice is a cloud-based customer relationship management system that helps businesses centralize their communications and workflows. With this platform, you can manage emails, business contacts, meetings, tasks, projects, files, and notes all in one location. So everything is securely stored on Amazon servers in Europe, ensuring your data remains protected. Since it's cloud-based and you can access it anytime from a Mac or Windows PC as long as you have an internet connection. One of its biggest advantages is that your entire team can collaborate, share customer data, and stay on the same page effortlessly. Now, the interface difference of Mac and Windows is that in this tutorial, I'm using Windows, but if you're having Mac, don't worry, the interface and features are nearly identical. The only difference is how the tabs are displayed. So Mac users will see tabs at the top of the screen, while Windows users will have them as separate windows in the taskbar over here. Other than that, everything works the same, so you'll be able to follow along no matter what device you're using. So when you first open the application, you'll be redirected to the home dashboard, and this is where you get a quick overview of your most important information. The dashboard includes your latest contacts, most recent emails, and upcoming tasks and appointments. So you can customize this view by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner and rearranging the widgets as needed. So clicking on any item, whether it's an email, a task, or a contact, will open it so you can take actions immediately, and then you'll be able to see inbox, calendar, and other details. So think of it as a digital Rolodex where all your important client information is stored in one place. And one of the most useful feature is that you can use things like filtering and search capabilities. So you can easily search for contacts based on specific fields such as name, company, or keywords. This makes it simple to group contacts into lists for marketing, reporting, or outreach purposes. You can also export context lists and send bulk of personalized emails directly from the platform. And each contact has its own personal archive where all emails, notes, and files related to them are stored automatically. This means you won't have to dig through your inbox to find past conversations. It's all neatly organized in one place. So here there are numerous features such as you'll be able to see all functionalities. Like you can simply click on this over here. We have relationship management, email management, agenda management, task management, document management, file management, CRM dashboards. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to the cloud management dashboards and you can view that. And then we have like you can see over here, we have mobile sync, and then we have mobile apps multi-user. And then coming to integrations, you can view all integrations by clicking on all integrations over here. And after that, we have Apple Calendar, Apple Contacts, Bubble, eBookkeeping.nl, email integrations, Microsoft 365, and Microsoft Office, Molly, WhatsApp Business, and Zellion Wolp Telephony. And then we have some add-ons over here that includes questionnaire module, and then you can also customize the software. And then you can see the prices over here by clicking on this over here. You can use it for free as well, but you might be required to sign up to use some features. So the Pro is for $34.50 and the Enterprise is for $72.50. So you can also request a demo for the Pro one, and you can see that you can have 300,000 items of storage space per company in Pro, access to Pro features, 5 mailboxes per user, full email integrations, data security, 2FA backups, permissions, email authentication, SPF, DKIM, mass mailings, API integrations, help desk via email. So you can click on this if you wish to view all features, and you can see that Enterprise has everything that the Pro has. But in excess, it has unlimited storage space, access to enterprise features, unlimited mailboxes per users, training and onboarded, and also premium support. The prices mentioned are exclusive of VAT. That means the prices would be applied with VAT when you proceed to checkout. And then talking about the customer support, you can contact help desk, support center, SpinOffice tips, product demo, CRM training, and also download the software. Then let us go and read some customer stories, like what was the experience of numerous customers when they used SpinOffice. So here you can see that these entrepreneurs went before you, and you can see what they say about this, and you can read customer stories. Now customer stories about various softwares are very important because they add to the integrity of the software. So whoever wants to sign up for that, these stories really help. And then we have about us over here, so if you wish to contact them, you can contact from there. Now, if you wish to, add any new features, you can simply add from here. Now, if you really want to know that what are the actual features and what is difference in SpinOffice that the others don't have, you can simply click on this and, get to know that what it does is that basically it manages all your business relationships, full integration of your email, collect all tasks in one place, a shared office calendar, and there's some other additional functionalities. So that was basically all that you need to know about SpinOffice CRM. So if you wish to sign up, you can simply click on getting over here, and then you can create an account by typing in your first name, surname, email address. And after that, you can verify your account and tell some information about your company and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.